Today we discuss about the brain and their function. So brain are protected in a hard structure that is called skull or cranium. Like we previously discussed, brain is a part of central nervous system and play important role in control and processing. That is main function of the brain. Brain having three main regions like forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. That is first part, that is second, and that one is third part. So that three regions are brain is containing forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. They performing the different function. Like in forebrain, the major part is cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. So in the mammals, cerebrum is most developed. That's why we are more intelligent. So what is the function of cerebrum? Cerebrum have performing the function like intelligence, reading, writing, memory, speech, hearing. That type of function performed by forebrain. Very important. Then move to the midbrain. So in midbrain, that perform the function like optic movement. Optic means movement of the eye, that controlling the movement of the eye. That is a function of midbrain. Next we go for the hindbrain, that containing three parts: pons, medulla and cerebellum. Very important, pons, medulla and cerebellum. What is the function of pons? The function of pons to regulate the respiration, that also called respiratory center, that is pons. Medulla and cerebellum. Medulla very important and cerebellum also very important. What is the function of medulla? Medulla performing the involuntary function. Which type of function? Involuntary. What do you mean of involuntary? That function is not controlled by the skeletal muscles, are not controlled by the brain, that not under control by ourselves. That function is called involuntary. So involuntary function like regulate heartbeat, control respiration, digestion, vomiting, sneezing. That type of function controlling by the medulla. Very important. Cerebellum, that perform the voluntary function. So it help to movement of the skeletal muscles. Which type of muscles? Skeletal muscles. So cerebellum perform to maintain the body posture, to maintaining the body posture. That is a part of the brain and their function. Cerebrum, medulla, cerebellum, each three parts are very important. Next, that is hypothalamus. This is also a part of forebrain. What is the function of hypothalamus? Hypothalamus play an important role to maintaining the body temperature, control the hunger, thirst, also having emotional function, emotional activities like fear.